Oh.
Video. Guys, saan ka video post?
Oh.
Guys, today, we're gonna be trying the Coke
Vlogger pala to.
that has Mentos in it and versus Coke without Mentos.
Okay.
I don't know what try first one. Let's try this. What? The Coke without Mentos. It's not chicken. And this is
Gusto
not
mo Coke?
included yet.
Wait lang.
Normal
Wait.
Coke. Yummy. Original. Kami na. I don't want to even think about it. I hate this Coke. I love it. Good ba?
Gusto mo maging vlogger?